Okay, so to give you an idea on what transpired no for the entire semester no in this of course, this advanced production and operation management is a multifaceted discipline no, within the broader field of management that focuses on efficient planning, no, organizing and controlling of processes. Take note, ha, processes and resources involved in the production of goods and services. It encompasses a wide range of activities, including inventory management, supply chain optimization, quality control, process improvement, and strategic decision making to enhance productivity and competitiveness in today's dynamic business environment. At its core, advanced production and operation management no, aims to streamline production process to achieve higher levels of efficiency. No? Siyempre kasama na dyan, lagi naman kapag production, yung cost effectiveness and customer satisfaction. No? So, therefore, it includes the utilization of various tools and methodologies such as lean manufacturing. Alam ko, narinig nyo na yung Six Sigma, napaka-common yan sa business. That TQM, no, lalo yung 6 Cs no, ng TQM, ng Total Quality Management, ano po, and just-in-time systems no, to eliminate waste, minimize the defects no, of your products, and maximize throughput. No? These approaches no, enable organizations to achieve operational excellence and meet the ever-changing demands of the market. That is the idea behind accreditations. Why do organizations or industries or companies no, why do they need to have the ISO certifications? No? AUN and different indifferent anong tawag dito, accreditation body, no? Tayo mismo ang mga company, not only the institution, not only but the school, but even the private. Let's say for example, the Toyota, no? Nag-undergo sila ng Philippine Quality Award, PQA, Unilab, and some other international company here in our country. But not only the private industry, even the government like the OST, DepEd, no, and any other agencies, nagpapa-PQA, that is Philippine Quality Award. And accreditations focus actually on the quality standards, no, on operation, on senior leaders, on how he or she will be able to handle the company. And I am also one of the accreditor of PQA. Now, one of the key aspects no, of the production and operations management is a supply chain management, no, which involves no, the coordination of activities across the entire supply chain, from raw materials suppliers to end customers. Yun po kasi sinasabi ng supply chain, no? From raw materials suppliers to end customers. No? This entails optimizing inventory levels, no? Managing supplier relationships, and ensuring time delivery of products while lahat naman ng kampanya no, minimizing costs. Effectively supply chain management is essential for enhancing responsiveness, reducing lead times, and mitigating risks associated with disruptions such as natural disasters or geopolitical events. Another critical area of production and operation management is quality management, which entails ensuring that products and services meet, hindi lang meet, or exceed no, customer satisfaction or expectations. And this involves implementing rigorous quality control measures, conducting regular inspections, and continuously improving processes to enhance product reliability and consistency. In emphasizing quality, no, organizations can enhance their reputation, no, build customer loyalty, and can gain a competitive edge no, in the market. Advanced operation and production and operations management no, also involves a strategic decision-making regarding capacity planning. facility layout, and technology adoption to align production capabilities with market demand. And this requires a thorough understanding of market trends, competitor analysis, and forecasting techniques to anticipate future demand and allocate resources effectively. Strategic decisions and advanced production and operations management have long-term implications for the organization's competitiveness and lagi naman return of investment, profitability. Because advanced production and operations management play a critical role in sustainability and environmental stewardship, no, by promoting resource efficiency, waste reduction, at sabi nga natin, di ba, lahat ng mga ngayon, groceries, no, eco-friendly practices. Di ba? Pag sinabi na, let's say, nag-visit kami sa PQA ng isang organization, instead of printing documents, soft copy, naka-cloud, eco-friendly. Na? Yun yung mga ganung idea behind. And this include initiatives such as recycling programs, no? Energy conservation measures, and adoption of green technologies to minimize the environmental footprint of production operations. I believe, no, in integrating sustainability into production and operation management practices, an industry or a company or an organization can reduce costs. It can enhance brand reputation, of course, and contribute to a more sustainable future. In today's digital era of production and operation management, is increasingly leveraging technology and data analytics to drive decision-making and optimize processes. Ayoko mag-share na example na related sa ating enrollment, no? But imagine that, no? It's too easy for us, let's say, for example, if this section is automatically with 20 or 25 students, we could able to open another section. No? And that is through the use of technology. No? Advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, no, sa Jollibee or sa any other fast food chain, no, talagang AI, bago ka pumunta ng counter, ka muna dun sa computer, then automatic and so on. Internet of Things, no, ba? And big data analytics enable real-time monitoring of production system, predictive maintenance, no, and adaptive control, no, to improve efficiency and agility. So data-driven insights, no, also facilitate continuous improvement initiatives, no, and enable organizations to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving marketplace. No? So in general, no, production and operation management is closely intertwined with other functional areas of management, such as, siyempre, kung yan ay decision making, kasama dyan si marketing, no? Finance, and human resources. No? Collaboration across department is essential for aligning production strategies, no, with overall business objective, no? Managing cross-functional projects, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Again, effective communication and teamwork are critical for achieving synergy and maximizing the impact of production and operations management initiatives on organizational performance. No? Globalization has profoundly influenced production and operation management practices by expanding market opportunities, increasing competition, and complicating supply chain dynamics. International trade agreements, no, cultural differences, and geopolitical factors necessitate a global perspective in production and operation management decision-making to navigate a complex supply chains and capitalize on emerging markets. And this requires you as manager to possess a cross-cultural competence, adaptability, and a strategic foresight not to succeed in the global marketplace. Production and operations management is subject to various external factors and uncertainties such as economic fluctuation. Alam natin yung mga business nasa field ng business. Regulatory changes, no? Ibang country, iba po ang rules and regulations, no? Ibang provinces may sarili pong ano yung local government, no? Let's say this year, this 6 years, ibang president, ibang and so on. And technological disruptions, no? Managers, you as manager must stay vigilant, no? And proactive in monitoring external developments, assessing risk, and adjusting strategies accordingly, no, to mitigate potential threats and capitalize on opportunities. Flexibility and agility are essential for adapting to changing market conditions and maintaining a competitive advantage. Production and operation management encompasses, no, the concept of continuous improvement, which involves systematically identifying inefficiencies, implementing corrective measures, and striving for incremental enhancement and performance. And this entails for fostering a culture of innovation, no, empowerment, and learning within the organizations to encourage employees not to contribute ideas, experiment with new approaches, and embrace change. No, so I think you will cover this topic, no, in your leadership effectiveness, no, fostering a culture of innovation, empowerment, and learning within the organization to encourage employees to contribute ideas, experiment with new approaches, and embrace change. No? Because I believe, no, continuous improvement is a never-ending journey towards excellence and requires ongoing commitment from all levels of the organization. I think this discussion is also part of leadership effectiveness in ethics. Additionally, production and operation management is increasingly focusing on the integration of sustainability principles into business practices to address environmental concerns and social responsibilities. This involves adopting environmentally friendly production processes. Sabi nga dito, no, lagi ko siya narinig sa TV, no, sa news, no, reducing carbon emissions and promoting ethical sourcing of and labor practices throughout the supply chain. Sustainability initiatives not only contribute to corporate social responsibility but also enhance long-term profitability and resilience in the face of global challenges. No? Our subject, no, or our course plays a pivotal role in fostering resilience and agility in the face of disruptions such as natural disasters, geopolitical conflicts, or even the past pandemics. In diversifying supply chains, building redundancy, and implementing contingency plans, organization can mitigate the impact of disruption and maintain business continuity. Robust risk management practices are essential for identifying vulnerabilities and developing strategies to enhance resilience in an increasingly volatile world. So, it meant to say that within one semester, we could able to understand that advanced production, or we could able to learn or to relearn that advanced production management or advanced production and operations management is a vital discipline that encompasses a wide range of activities aimed at optimizing production processes, enhancing quality, and driving strategic decision making to achieve organizational goals. In leveraging technology, data analytics, and sustainability principles, advanced production and operation management enable organizations to improve efficiency, adaptability, and competitiveness, no, in today's complex and dynamic business environment. Continuous improvement, strategic alignment, and resilience are key pillars of advanced production and operation management that enable your company to thrive and foster in an ever-changing marketplace. So I think that's the coverage of the entire semester. So at least you have an idea already what will transpire for the entire semester for advanced production and operation management. Okay? So to all the presenters, no, I think ay nabigyan ko naman ng wisdom yung bawat topic na ma-assign sa inyo. And looking forward to have sharing, no, of your expertise based on your field, because again, as I mentioned earlier, even we are in the field of business, we have our own different experiences, no? And even this will be written theoretically, no? Still iba yung application. So wag po kayong madamot mag-share na inyong experience sa inyong mga company. This will be the idea behind master's degree program, sharing of your best practices. Okay? Especially, isa ito sa pinakamahalagang part po ng business, ano, production and operation management. Without this, o anong kwenta ng business, di po ba? So talagang lahat focus sa production and operations management. Okay.